If it's drained, you know. Okay, doing a water heater installation. And get this sucker out of here. Water was cool and already drained it. All kinds of funkiness going on here. I can't read it. I'm doing that. You can't get it out. Who's with me? Who did this? Who does this? Why did they do it? Too much risk of injury, and oh fuck, man! Oh dang it! Yeah, we just ripped through the pipe here. I was tightening this down, and it just tore the half inch. See it? It just shattered. Oh wow! Right here. It didn't even twist. It just blew it wide open. I do hopefully. I did throw my, I think I threw my little half-inch kit in. Hopefully, just in case, yeah. This thing's done. Wow, it just shattered. I guess that's a good reason to put a pipe wrench on it, huh? It looks like we're going to have to do some soldering. So, the pipe broke off. I just put this clamp on here to hold this thing back because it was dangling out here. I cut off a piece earlier. You could see where it just shattered when I was putting the new supply line on. And when I cut it, it pinched it. So I had to cut it back further to give you an idea. Sorry, the lighting's really terrible here, but yeah, this little shed, man, it's just goofy as hell. It's like tight up in there. Oh, crap. Anyway, I'm trying to get out of here. Look at that, an old broken gas line. I mean, it's just a can of worms today. Up in here. With the spiders. Oh, come on now. much solder as always. Hopefully you guys saw something there. I don't think it's too terrible. A couple of big drips there, but at least I know I got enough solder in. So I'll take that. Alright, ready for the water heater. Damn, man. Crazy day. I'm going to get my temperature pressure relief turned this way so I can work on it once the water heater's in. So this is leaking, so I'm going to have to, I don't have a cap for it. If I had and I can't tighten it down anymore. So I try and put the best ones on here that I can. But this is going to keep dripping. Sometimes if you put a cap on them, they're good, but I think I'm going to have to change it.
Yeah, because this lady will tell me, she'll call me and say, it's still leaking.
Oh yeah, no worries. We'll
I don't have even a cap to try that, but...
Yeah, that's it. Usually I
once it reaches its pressure, it'll stop it, but...
Yeah. You missed out. A leaking drain valve. Where's the other one? Okay, that's it. New supply lines. Did some soldering in the back. Back there, got the water heater installed. It's a 30-gallon. Had to change the drain valve because it was dripping, and of course water shot out, and she's installed. Appreciate you watching. Consider subscribing. Thank you.